Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. I'm Nick, also known as Oh So Sick, and in today's video I'm actually going to be unboxing, it's nothing crazy because it's not that heavy, but they're going to be Sparco seatbelt pads. It's not going to be a long video, but it is going to just be a little overview of me unboxing what's inside here. So let's just get to it. So for starters, the box, it's clear in the front so you could actually see what color the pad is. And for this specific one, I believe the part number is 01090R3AZ. So that's the part number, I believe. Don't quote me on that. You can check it if you want. Easy to open the little package that it comes in. You can't feel it in the video, but they are soft. And they do have a lot of padding. I'll get some close-ups of it right now. It's Velcro, so it's really easy to install. And you can see on the backside, the stitching is actually really good. If you're not familiar with Sparco, they've been around for a very long time, and they can pretty much take care of all your safety needs. And the quality is seriously second to none. So you can just tell by the stitching too. So this is really good. Each box comes with two. Let's open this one up, same part number. Same color. Honestly, I love this color. And as you can see, these are gonna go for the Talon. It's pretty much identical with the color. So I got four because I'm actually gonna be running all the other Sparco accessories. But depending on what you have or what you drive, you don't need a bucket seat or a 4-piece, 5-piece, 6-piece harness. You could literally just buy one package for your daily driver, and it's a seatbelt cushion. That way, you know, it just goes around like that. And that's it. So, like I said, it wasn't gonna be a long video with this one because these are pretty much straightforward. But if you've never seen one, or if you didn't even know you could buy these, yes, you can. So head over to SparcoUSA.com. I'll put the link in the description below. That's it for this unboxing. So, like I said, nice, short, and sweet. Can't wait to install these. Just remember, life's oh so sick, live it.